Hello children, welcome back to our English lecture. Today let's take the unit 4 from the English textbook and the lesson is Alice in Wonderland. In previous session we completed poem Why. Let's today take the lesson that is Alice in Wonderland. It's a very interesting and beautiful story of Alice. Alice is a girl. One day Alice was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. One day what happened? Alice was lying under a tree and she was listening the story of sister, what the sister is reading. Suddenly she saw a white rabbit scamper by. She saw that rabbit was scamper by. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket. And as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late. I will be too late." She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. It could talk. It wore a red waistcoat and it carried a watch. Alice wondered, a talking rabbit, a rabbit who wears a waistcoat. Alice was burning with curiosity and she followed the white rabbit. What happened? What Alice saw there when she was lying? Yes, she saw a rabbit. How is the rabbit? Rabbit had pink eyes. Rabbit had pink eyes and what he wear? Blue coat. And she was surprised. How is beautiful rabbit that wearing a coat? He took out a big watch also from his waistcoat. Waistcoat means long coat. That is known as waistcoat. And what he said, I will be too late. What he said, I will be too late. And he hurried away there. Hurried means he rushed from there. She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. It could talk, means this rabbit is talking. He wore a red waistcoat and it carried a watch also. It's a very wondered. Alice wondered. Alice surprised. And a talking rabbit who wears a waistcoat. Alice was burning with curiosity. Curiosity means she is eager to know why, how like this. And she followed the white rabbit. Understood in this paragraph, this much given. Scamper means run with quick light steps, especially through fear or excitement. Means whatever we see something, then we fear or exciting. In an excitement manner, we running after him. So Alice also followed that white rabbit. The rabbit started running and Alice followed. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. There is a rabbit hole and he popped down. Popped down means jumped down there. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole. Alice also jumped in that same hole. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into the rabbit hole. Alice said aloud. Aloud means loudly. Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth. She wondered. Will I slip through the earth to the other side? Alice wondered only and she is loudly talking. Where I am? How many miles I go down near the earth only? And where I sleep? Through the earth to the other side? Thump. Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. After that she come out on the dry leaves. She looked around quickly and suddenly saw the white rabbit again there. Again he saw the rabbit. It disappeared saying, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." Disappears means be lost or go missing. We can't see. She looked around quickly and there was a rabbit and it disappeared saying, that whatever where she fall down and thought nothing was there. It disappeared like that she was seeing. Ears and whiskers means yes. I told you, I given you meaning in afterwards in the slides. Whisker means long hair coming on the face. Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches high. Again, what's there she saw? Only very small door, about 15 inches high. She can't go from that door also. It was too small for her to go through. She saw a glass table with a golden key on it. There what she saw? There is a golden glass table and key on it. She tried the little golden key in the lock and to her delight it fitted. That door was closed and that key she taken and she kept there and it's open. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. Very beautiful garden she saw from there. But she unable to go inside that door. She only opened and see it's a very beautiful and lovely door. How she longed to be among those beds of bright flowers and those cool fountains. There was a fountains, garden, flowers, very beautiful, amazing garden she saw. But she could not even get her head through the doorway. She can't go from that doorway. Oh, how I wish I could become smaller, she exclaimed loudly. Exclaimed means cry out, and she loudly said, why I can't go from there near the garden. So this is the story of the Alice in Wonderland. Means all these she saw in a wonder. She never saw like that all these things she saw. That's why it is known as Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland. First what she went to the rabbit's hole. There amazing happened. She gone down and down, down and again she came out in the drawn the dry leaves. Afterwards she saw a small door. She opened that door. Golden table was there and their key was there. That taken and it opened. But she can't go inside the door. And what she saw there? A beautiful garden with various beautiful fountains and flowers. So that all is a wonder. Only imagine, delightful only on the land. That is why it is known as Wonderland. Meanings here given. Scamper means run with quick light steps, especially through fear or excitement. What it is. Hurried means done in a hurry or rushed. Popped means make a light sound. Disappeared, be lost or go missing. Whiskers, a bird, a beard or one of the long hairs growing on the side of the face and on the chin. You can write a beard also. Whisker, beard also you can write, or another one of the long hairs growing on the side of the face and on the chin. Delight, great pleasure. Exclaim, cry out suddenly in surprise. Strong emotion or pain. So understood the story? It's a very simple. Alice is a girl. She wandered everything on the land. That's why name of the lesson is Alice in Wonderland. Many things surprised she saw. And that's why it is known as Alice in Wonderland. Read the complete lesson, each and every line. Find out the difficult words, write down in your notebook, and meanings given, 7 meanings are there, that also you write. Thank you.